Evander Holyfield, born October 19, 1962, is an American former professional boxer who competed between 1984 and 2011. He reigned as the undisputed champion in the cruiserweight division in the late 1980s and at heavyweight in the early 1990s, and was the only boxer in history to win the undisputed championship into weight classes in the three-belt era, a feat later surpassed by Terence Crawford, Naoya Inoue, and Alexander Usyk, who became to weight undisputed champions in the four-belt era. Nicknamed the Real Deal, Holyfield is the only four-time world heavyweight champion, having held the Unified World Boxing Association (WBA), World Boxing Council (WBC), and International Boxing Federation (IBF) titles from 1990 to 1992. The WBA and IBF titles again from 1993 to 1994. The WBA title a third time from 1996 to 1999. The IBF title a third time from 1997 to 1999, and the WBA title for a fourth time from 2000 to 2001. As an amateur, Holyfield represented the United States at the 1980 for Summer Olympics, winning the light heavyweight bronze medal. He turned professional at the age of 21, moving up to cruiserweight in 1985 and winning his first world championship the following year, defeating Dwight Mohamed Kawi for the WBA title. Holyfield then went on to defeat Ricky Parkey and Carlos de Leon to win the WBC and IBF titles, thus becoming the undisputed cruiserweight champion. He moved up to heavyweight in 1988, later defeating Buster Douglas in 1990 to claim the unified WBA, WBC, and IBF heavyweight titles and the undisputed heavyweight championship. He successfully defended his titles 3 times, scoring victories over former champions George Foreman and Larry Holmes, before suffering his first professional loss to Riddick Bowe in 1992. Holyfield regained the crown in a rematch 1 year later, defeating Bowe for the WBA and IBF titles. Holyfield later lost these titles in an upset against Michael Moorer in 1994. Holyfield was forced to retire in 1994 upon medical advice, only to return a year later with a clean bill of health. In 1996, he defeated Mike Tyson and reclaimed the WBA title in what was named by the Ring magazine as the Fight of the Year and Upset of the Year. This made Holyfield the first boxer since Muhammad Ali to win a world heavyweight title 3 times. Holyfield won a 1997 rematch against Tyson, which saw the latter disqualified in round 3 for biting off part of Holyfield's ears. During this reign as champion, he also avenged his loss to Michael Moorer and reclaimed the IBF title. In 1999, he faced Lennox Lewis in a unification fight for the undisputed WBA, WBC, and IBF titles, which ended in a controversial split draw. Holyfield was defeated in a rematch 8 months later. The following year, he defeated John Ruiz for the vacant WBA title, becoming the first boxer in history to win a version of the heavyweight title 4 times. Holyfield lost a rematch against Ruiz 7 months later and faced him for the 3rd time in a draw. Holyfield retired in 2014 and is ranked number 77 on the Ring's list of 100 greatest punchers of all time, and in 2002 named him the 22nd greatest fighter of the past 80 years. He currently ranks No.91 in BoxRec's ranking of the greatest pound-for-pound boxes of all time. Evander Holyfield was born on October 19, 1962, in the mill town of Atmore, Alabama. The youngest of 9 children, he was much younger than his other siblings and was born from a different father. His family later moved to Atlanta, Georgia, where he was raised in the crime-ridden Bowen Homes housing projects. Holyfield describes himself as a physical late bloomer. Upon graduating from Fulton High School in 1980, he was only 5 feet 8 in tall and weighed only 147 pounds. Personal life, Holyfield is the younger brother of actor and dancer Bernard Holyfield and currently lives and trains in Fayette County, Georgia. One of his sons, Evan, followed in his father's footsteps and became a professional boxer. Another son, Elijah, played football for the Cincinnati Bengals. He is a born-again Christian. He founded Real Deal Records, which signed the briefly successful group Exhale. In late 2007 and early 2008, Holyfield was among a number of celebrities to be doing television ads for the restaurant chain Zaxby's. In 2017, a statue of Evander Holyfield designed by sculptor Brian Hanlon was commissioned by the city of Atlanta for installation in downtown Atlanta. Financial difficulties. In June 2008, a legal notice was placed by Washington Mutual Bank stating that Holyfield's $10 million, 54,000 square foot, 109-room, 17-bathroom suburban Atlanta estate would be auctioned off on July 1, 2008, due to foreclosure shortly before that bank's insolvency. Rapper Rick Ross ended up acquiring the house. Adding to his financial problems, Toy Irvin, mother of his then 10-year-old son, filed suit for non-payment of 2 months' child support. A Utah landscaping firm also went to court seeking $550,000 in unpaid debt for services. His fortune was drained by frivolous spending, multiple failed business ventures, constant child support payments, and his 3 divorces, among other things. In 2012, The Independent described Holyfield as flat broke and bankrupt, despite having earned £350 million, or 513 million United States dollars over his boxing career. As of 2019, Holyfield was earning about $1.2 million a year, mostly through personal appearances. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.